The portable blender bottle. Cool little fitness product. Now let's go into my computer and do an analysis to see how much money we can get this product made for and then how much we can sell it for on Amazon. Now if we go to Alibaba.com right now, I found a supplier and we can see that we can get this product manufactured for only $2.70 per piece. Look at that same product on Amazon. We can see that it's selling for $13.43. Now, one piece of advice to you guys, if you're gonna sell this product, make sure that you're doing your due diligence and you're making sure that the supplier that you're working with has some history with Alibaba and that they're making you a good product. Something that I also recommend is make sure that you order a sample to your house to make sure that the quality of product that you're getting is good, so you end up not getting any negative reviews when you sell that product on Amazon. Now, to get a step-by-step training video that shows you in detail just how this business works and how to find winning products just like those to sell on Amazon, then all you need to do is follow me and message me the word Amazon.